The vision for the project is to interview and document Tibetan musicians and artists in exile. It will be a documentation of general Tibetan performing arts, music, dance and opera, and share it with the whole community. It seems like in our community, the performing arts artists, we enjoy them while they are alive, but we don't have a good kind of place or space to keep information about the artists who have come, before us and the current artists. Hopefully in the future it will become a record for younger generation and other people who are interested in Tibetan art.